Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make garlic and chili pickle. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 250 grams of garlic and 150 grams of red chilies. Also, prepare your essential spices like fenugreek, mustard seeds, and turmeric. Make sure all your produce is thoroughly washed and completely dry to prevent spoilage. This initial step is crucial for a successful and flavorful pickle. Next, let's prepare our core ingredients. Peel all your garlic cloves and roughly chop the red chilies. For the spices, gently dry roast your fenugreek and mustard seeds in a pan until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind these roasted spices into a coarse powder. This step releases their aromatic oils, enhancing the pickle's depth of flavor. Now it's time to cook. Heat about 200 milliliters of mustard oil in a pan. Once hot, add a pinch of asafoetida and a few curry leaves to temper the oil. Then, add your peeled garlic and chopped chilies, cooking them for about 5 minutes until they soften slightly. Finally, stir in your ground spices, salt to taste, and a splash of vinegar to help preserve your delicious pickle. Once your pickle is cooked, let it cool completely to room temperature. This is important before transferring it into a clean, sterilized glass jar. Store your jar in a cool, dark place, and your delicious garlic and chili pickle will be ready to enjoy in about 3 to 5 days. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.